Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11, a detailing video today with my 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This poor guy sits outside all winter long, all summer long, baking in the sun, freezing its butt off in the winter, snow, rain, everything. You know, that's not easy on the paint, and I love 303 products. I've been using the Touchless Sealant, which I recommend. It's so easy to use. It's just a spray on and rinse off with the hose application. I've done videos on it. I'll put a video link below. So the touchless sealant lasts about 6 months, and I've seen even under that because again it sits outside the whole time. It doesn't matter so much how long it lasts because it's so easy to use. You just keep spraying it on as you wash the car. But unfortunately, this car again gets neglected. Sometimes I don't wash it for months, especially in the winter months. So I wanted to see if there's something a little bit longer lasting. I did contact 303 and they sent me some new items that will last longer. The Graphene Nano Spray Coating. It does need to be applied. It's not as simple of an application, but we're going to do that today and see how it is. They also have the detailer, and that keeps up the coating. You can even use it as a drying aid, which is really cool, and that's probably what I would use on it. But I just wanted to see if it lasts a little longer. So today we'll do the application video. We'll do the normal routine. I'll show you, and I'm probably still going to use the sealant on the wheels and things where I can't apply the graphene to. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys, I just want to show you the before. I'm just rinsing it down now, and as you can see, no beads. Yeah, it's been under 6 months, but about 6 months, I guess. And you get a little bit of beads on the side still, but I guess where the water sits and the sun beats down on the horizontal surfaces, no more beading. So we're gonna take care of it. First, we'll prep the surface. So to prep the surface, I'm gonna use the Turtle Wax Max Power at 9 ounces of solution to strip any remaining wax on there, and of course all of the dust and debris, tree sap, whatever's on there. And then I am going to go over the paint with this Nano Skin fine grade sponge. I'll put Amazon links to both of these in the description of the video, but this is really cool. It's a sponge that also clays the surface, so do that while I'm washing it. First, we'll go over it with the wash mitt. Then we'll grab the Nano Skin sponge and do your back and forth and up and down motion, pull off any debris. And again, the soap is the lubricant, so it works great and it's fast and easy. Okay guys, the paint is clean and dry and ready for the graphene coating. So I'm going to use an applicator, microfiber applicator. I'm going to shake the bottle real well and then spray some on the applicator. Oh wow, it's black because it's graphene. And the directions say to use a crisscross pattern. So just going to go back and forth and then up and down a little section at a time. And then this one is more like a traditional wax where you're actually going to let it haze. It says it takes a minute to haze. Oh, we'll do half the hood anyway. And we'll see how hard it is to buff out with a clean microfiber. It definitely has a strong chemical smell, but that's okay. We're outside. So yeah, we'll let that haze for a minute and then buff it off. Now you notice I did the black matte vinyl I have on the hood of the Jeep, and it says it's safe to use on vinyl and on glass and on the trim, basically anywhere in your car. So I am going to do the glass as well. But yeah, I think it's been a minute or so. All right, folding my microfiber here, and I'm just gonna wipe it down. Yeah, it comes off pretty easy. I'm not sure if I should wait longer or not, but yeah, it's coming right off. And then even on this black vinyl, it's coming off. And then I have the fluffy side to buff it even more. So all right, I'm gonna continue with the rest of the car, and I'll come back, we'll do a water test. All right guys, I finished applying it to the whole car. It was pretty easy. Like a traditional sealant, you have to apply it and then buff it off with a microfiber. You know, that's the beauty of the touchless sealant. You don't have to do that. And I still would recommend the touchless sealant for anyone who doesn't have the time or doesn't really need the extra duration because you're washing your car frequently, you keep a garage kept. This is a good test for this vehicle because it is kept outside. But anyway, I did the glass, I did the paint. It has a nice smooth finish. We'll test it, we'll do a water test real quick here. But I did not do the plastic gray because it's textured, and I didn't want to buff that out. Not that it leaves any white residue or anything, just I didn't want the extra work to do that. So yeah, let me grab the hose and we'll do a quick water test. Okay, yeah, look at that beading. Now I am parked on the hill here, so that the hood isn't angled down, but it's almost level, but that's why it's not falling off. But let me try the side here. Oh yeah, really good. Hopefully this lasts a lot longer. Like I said, being out in the elements. What I'm gonna do though, since I have the vehicle wet again, I'm gonna go over and spray that touchless sealant on the wheels and tires, on the trim that I didn't protect with the graphene. Also, you can use that graphene detailer as a drying aid as well. Look at this, really nice. And this graphene product does not need any cure time. So as soon as you wipe it off and buff it off with the microfiber, it is cured. You don't have to wait 24 hours or anything like some other products. So okay, finished spraying down all the trim and wheels with the touchless sealant, which did an excellent job. I love that stuff. It's so easy. And of course you can apply that anytime you wash the car, which is the beauty of the touchless sealant. It's so easy to use. But otherwise, I'm very happy with the results of the graphene. Tell me guys if you've used the graphene product before. The other benefit they say is it lowers the surface temperature, so if water spots are on your car and the sun comes out, you get reduced water spots on the paint when it dries, so that's pretty cool. Also, it's supposed to last even over a year, 1+ years it says, so we'll see. It'll be a good test with my vehicle sitting outside. I will give you updates. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Yeah, definitely stay tuned for updates throughout the year. This is spring of 2022. So we'll give you an update maybe in a year. But I'll be keeping up with it, like I said, with that detailer and even the touchless sealant. Spray it on every now and then since it's so easy. But anyway guys, thanks for watching this one. Please give it a thumbs up. I will put a link below for the products, and you can always see them on my Amazon store as well. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.